Subscribe my channel for GK. The river Brahmaputra called in Tibet. Answer is Sangpo. Which is the highest point in Asia? Answer is Mount Everest. India's highest dam Tehri is located on which river? Answer is Bhagirathi. Asia is located in which hemisphere? Answer is Eastern and Northern Hemisphere. Halley's Comet completes one revolution around the Sun in how many years? Answer is 76 years. What is the name of the river Sangpo in Arunachal Pradesh? Answer is Dihang. Which is the brightest star outside the solar system? Answer is Sirius. Which is the lowest point in Asia? Answer is Dead Sea. Which planet has largest number of natural satellites? Answer is Jupiter. Which country has developed the world's first floating nuclear plant? Answer is Russia. What is the total length of India-Bangladesh border? Answer is 4096.70 km. How many islands comprise the Lakshadweep Islands? Answer is 36. Which is the largest number of freshwater riverine islands formed by the river Brahmaputra? Answer is Majuli. Which separate Asia from the Africa continent? Answer is Suez Canal and Red Sea. Which tributary of Ganga originates from Nepal-Sikkim border and joins Ganga in Bangladesh? Answer is Mahananda River. The small groups of planetary pieces which are confined and revolving between Mars and Jupiter are called. Answer is asteroids. Which island is named after Abdul Kalam? Answer is Wheeler Island, Odisha. Which Ganga tributary originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? Answer is Son. Which river originates from the Nepal-China border in Tibet and joins Ganga near Hajipur, Bihar? Answer is Gomti. What was the ancient name of Shivalik Hills? Answer is Manak Parvat. The Shivalik range was formed in which period? Answer is Pliocene period. Which planet that caused Pluto to lose its status as a planet? Answer is Makemake. Which river crossed the equator two times? Answer is Jere. Which Indian state shares smallest border between India and Bangladesh? Answer is Assam. Which star is the nearest star from the Sun? Answer is Proxima Centauri. The Nanda Devi is located in which state? Answer is Uttarakhand. Which tributary of Ganga River, popularly known as the Sorrow of Bihar? Answer is Kosi. Which planet have two natural satellites, Phobos and Deimos? Answer is Mars. The planet Neptune was discovered by? Answer is Gale. Which regions of the Shivalik to preserve its flora and fauna? Answer is partly Dun. Order Nisse line is an international boundary line between which two countries? Answer is Germany and Poland. Teesta River is a tributary of which river? Answer is Brahmaputra River. Diego Garcia is an island located in which ocean? Answer is the Indian Ocean. The Valley of Kashmir lies between which two ranges? Answer is Pir Panjal and Chaskar ranges. Kishan Ganga is a river flowing in which state? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. The Barha Super Thermal Power Station is located in which state? Answer is Bihar. Kodai Canal is situated in which hill? Answer is Palni Hills. Which soil is deposited by rivers? Answer is alluvial soil. Which geographical regions is the oldest in the country? Answer is Indian Peninsular Plateau. Death Valley National Park is in which country? Answer is USA. Which river valleys is most important in respect of coal reserves of the Gondwana period? Answer is Damodar River Valley. Pranhita and Kinersani are tributaries of which river? Answer is the Godavari River. The Great Indian Desert lies to the west of which range? Answer is the Aravalli Range. Shipkila and Barala passes are located in which state? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which lake is located entirely within the United States? Answer is Michigan. Which mountain systems of India is the oldest? Answer is the Aravalli. The Nile River is a Egypt flows from which direction? Answer is south to north. Kamur Plateau is famous for which mineral? Answer is limestone. Which current raises the temperature near the eastern coast of North America and western coast of Europe? Answer is Gulf Stream. A river originates in Upper Himalaya and flows from west to east initially but finally east to west. The river is? Answer is Brahmaputra.